Hi guys, today we are adding this tiny OLED display to my movement controller with two buttons that I made. So here you see a prototype I made quickly on a breadboard, and here you can see the code I wrote on the left side. Basically we have an OLED and we are printing either the camera or the functions. So when we change it from the buttons, it changes on the display, so you can see functions, normal and camera. So next let's flip the text so we can edit better. So also I centered the text on the display, so there you can see clicking one button changes it from drive to function, and the other is from drive to camera and also backwards. So I have it all wired up on the proto board I have there, and we are going to be adding it where that switch is there. So we are going to take it apart, we are going to take out the switch, put it on the other side, and we are going to be placing that tiny OLED display right as I'm showing you on the side, connected to the 4 pins just there. And we are going to remove the black part. So quickly show you how it would look like. So we are going to solder the wires onto pins so we can take out this display and if you want to, and we are going to place the switch right there. So quickly soldered the pins as you can see, and we are going to glue them right there. So let's firstly cut all the wires, solder them, and then glue the female pins on the edge. So you can see I already soldered and glued the 4 pins to the edge. So there goes ground and VCC, and we have the clock and data pins soldered onto the I2C bus. So now we just need to place the OLED into the pins and connect it. So the OLED and the MPU 6050 are on the same I2C pins, but they are on different buses or addresses, so that means that we can use both of them together. And you can see here I glued the switch onto the top layer, and I also glued some kind of strap so we can strap it to our hand. Here is the final product. So all that remains is to power it on and show you how it actually works. So powering it on, the default mode is drive. So when we click the first button, it's camera, and then it switches back, and the second button switches between function and camera, function and drive. So here it is strapped to my hand, and as you can see we can turn it to the sides so we can move it, and with our fingers we can trigger the buttons. We have buttons on the left and the bottom, so you can choose either one you want to press so it is more comfortable. And now we just need to add so it detects which function it is. So basically in function mode, when you turn it to the sides, there are different functions. So let's program that right now. And I did it, so after a couple of hours, because I left the code line out. So you can see automatic, manual, the speeds, all of those are printing on the display as we move it. And you can see that in action right now. So when we turn it front, we change the mode, car mode, to automatic driving, and when we turn it again, we will get car mode manual, so that means we are driving it. Then we have the speeds, we have slow, medium, and high. I just need to center those, and it cycles between those three. To the left we have the light, so we need to turn it like that. I need to center that also, so we have light off and light on. And to the back it's triggering the rain sensor, but I don't have text for that. So that's basically it, and thank you guys for watching. If you liked, this video, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.